Leading high-performing teams is a program that equips and empowers leaders with language and tools to go back to the workplace and move their group to a team, to a high-performing team. The obvious way of looking at high-performing teams is that they perform well. I think that's an outcome, right? We can look at performance more as an outcome, but the better way to look at high-performing teams is what's the key ingredient that drives this? And the key ingredient that drives performance is accountability for mutual growth. I feel accountable for your growth, you feel accountable for my learning and development. That's how teams reach high performing.
It's a great program. Already from the first moment you start practicing, you start learning, you share experience, you put the theory into the practice.
So what we're looking to do on the program is people come in from all over the world to learn this ambiguous skill of leading high performance teams or even growing their team into a high performance team. And we give them content in the classroom. We also give them lots of tools and methods. And the one thing we do know is that every leader of every team does not do it the same way. So along with these structures that we give them, we've got to match these to people's personalities.
What the coaches are doing is they're helping participants come up with a language around teams. How do you need to speak that language in applying those tools when you go back to the workplace?
My experience in this program was amazing because I found so many people from other cultures, from other experience, other continents. It was really fantastic to be with people coming from all around. And when you have something different, already from that you start learning, you open up.
Particularly when we get leaders come in that they've been put in a leadership role and they're trying to figure out who am I as a leader and what's my style as a leader. And watching somebody peel back the layers on themselves a little bit and share with a group of people fundamentally open and truthful things about themselves and then rebuild up from there. At least what's really important to me is to not lose sight of the person that's at the center of that and how they show up in their leadership style.
The Leading High Performance Team program is a tool, is a way to be better as a team, to be better ourselves, to be happier, and in that way to perform better.